about to take it up. Hey, we about to take it up a notch, about to take it up. About to take it up a notch, about to take it up. About to take it up. We about to take it up. About to take it up a notch, about to take it up. About to take it up a notch, about to take it up.
So as you know, right? My last video, I say how America, Gucci, and everything that for people in a wheelchair. But the snow part, me never plan for this. Me never plan for this. See that me can't even drive. As somebody may have to get come pick me up. Yo, me never see nothing like this in my life yet. Yo. So basically, me not driving a snow because the push the car is a next thing. I'll show you an example when I'm talking a few. But me remember one time when me over a job at work, used to chew them salt over a job, me always think say good. And when me start drive, me realize say oh they really snow. So when I come home and park, which part I do right now, me see say yo, me could come out of the car and 911 me call. And them send 2 female officers to come help me. So big up to them officers there. Anyway them there. But yeah, yo, this snow thing that's the only thing. Me never know say this is it. Me show now. Look there. See? See? Sidewalk them. They so clean up though. So I probably could have pushed right there so alright. Me want to sit down there so. If me saw down there so stay, that means I'm good. See, me still can't go pushing on the slusher, bro. It's done. It's over with. So right there so I used to go to the garage. Right there so it's a dub. Right there so. Super dub. I be a parking there, I said. I first never see so much parking in the Co-op City. Me boom man. They can't go there. So outside not ready for me. This is the first time I come out since Saturday. Saturday, me in the house from. Yo, can you imagine, right? Me is somebody me never used to want to come out the road and look you know. Me in the house two days, I'm nearly mad. And this someone have to come pick me up today. I said, when I always do still pink. I always come get me when time snow. And I can't drive. That come get me. You see me? Over there, so water, you know, you see that? You snow.
I see.
Oh, that's not ready for me. By myself. Watch it. 2 lane, you know? See white line on the road, one next lane over there, so. Whole light snow up. Plus 1 lane winner, as we can see. See? Whole per snowfall. Enough is me ever see from 2016. So right now, I stop at Chipotle and get something.
I see everybody under guard. Gone.
Yeah. Feeb under guard. Mess up. She said take care of her. Dog, where me I go now? Dog, me I telling you, say now, when I just see snow part of New York, you know, man. No wheelchair friendly at all. I'm go up, sir. Something. Oh, you can't lift me, man. Oh, no. Yeah, go turn around.
Up there so good.
Well, might just turn around the thing right and just right drop this bomb out here.
She said, take your time.
Yeah, dog. Guys, I tell you, this I want whole per snow we get over a weekend. And the last time I ever see so much snow, 2016. Them time I'm on the road. And now me at the road. Hardly can do it because of this snow here, but a natural weather, can't complain. That's how you go. It is what it is. Inside a Chipotle, a long time I have some Chipotle. Get me a chicken bowl right about now. I have this too, a bowl. Yeah.
What kind of rice do you want? You want white or brown rice?
I go with white.
White rice?
Yeah.
What kind of beans do you want? Black or do you want?
I go with local black.
Black?
Yeah. Can you take more rice before that, please? Alright. Yeah. What kind of who? Oh, chicken. Yeah.
Anything else?
Oh, corn.
What do you corn?
Yeah.
No, but also familia. Okay.
And cheese and that little thing right there, a green thing. No. Yeah, that, yeah. What is this? The liquid white, what is? Sour cream?
You want it? I can put it on the side.
You can put it, yeah.
Double steak.
All right. You will look right, but perfect. Thank you. Oh, eat right there, sir. All right.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you. She said, care time, what's the rush? Ooh. She said, baby, yeah, man, I almost. Ooh. Oh, you got the fat them, though?
Yeah, but there's no napkin.
Let me name if you take up the fat them at all.
They don't got no napkin.
They not got no napkin? Yeah, if you care about the food, I go get them back still now. Because they don't have no napkin, my head, you know, complete. So say I go to Dollar Tree, go get 2 vitamin water, don't? Yes. Look on the tree, a whole person know this, you know. Dollar Tree pick up 2 vitamin water.
Which one you want?
Red one.
This one?
No, bro. Red one. No, see, no, same thing, no, sir. Yeah. Yeah, I see doubles.
Yeah, man, this one. Purple.
I know purple that might, or red that might, youth.
Pomegranate.
Dog, you alright? Who drink that? Who drink that? Who drink that? Yeah, does you drink? The orange one?
You drink one of them already?
That tastes you.
Oh, you don't know where that's at.
This vitamin water, yeah? Yeah, right, that's so good. Right, that's so fully good. Mom, I like her here. No problem. Mama here fully green. Mama here fully green out. Yeah. Go up here this stall van, you know. Don't, if me drop, don't laugh in my youth. Blood clot. Blood clot. Dog. Look at my good pants. I'm watching them my dirty up. Alright. Why? Outside. Enough people in a wheelchair here. Me just tired feel like up in the house. I decided to just come out for 1 day, but it's okay. This 1 day is good enough. I can't wait 2 more days. Friday, I think I can come out of the house by myself. Friday, should be able to. So, let's see. All them a carry. Who are going to dig out them a carry? Watch it. Who are going to dig out them? Look this up. Yo. No, sir. Thank God me have a garage, man. Look at man. Who are going to take out all this a carry right there, sir? Yo, no. Me, bo. Outside not ready for me at all. Okay. On the sidewalk. What part me can push wheelchair upon this sit there? Keep me look at quiet. Good man.
What me for come out there and do? Me can't do nothing.
Probably go count shovel. Yo, Indian! You know I don't know. Fully mass up. Come out here. Oh.
Me chuck.
Oh, the mac.
That one.
Find this a carrier, sir. What's that? What's that, man? I'm sorry, say them, but I'm glad I know me. Sidewalk gone. Normally, right there, somebody have to push. Angle right there, sir. As you can see. No, that not there. What's that?
I can't even go up on the ramp.
No, I can't go my youth. I say outside enough for me right now. So this is, I mean, I know you don't make it already. So I just smash it up now. Someone over there, so can't wait none at all. Yo. Alright. So I can't hold the camera like this. So I'm going to do this now. So for the most part, I feel like in a car, can't really go out. But it's okay though. Natural disaster, I don't have no control over that. Mother Nature. It is what it is. I just keep my little ass quiet. It's okay. At least I could have come out of your house for one day. Just go and get some fresh air. You know what I mean? Because I remember one night time, nobody could have do to get me come outside. I did just love in your house. One night time I say, yo, all if miracle I give you outside, I don't go out there and look for me now in your house a couple of days. And there's a die if you come out of your house. But big up Pink said we to come outside. So yeah, go back in. Stay probably in there for your next day or two. Cause which part over my place stay? I mean the wheelchair probably can push. Go to a car. Probably. Cause I did a look. I have to get a day or two though. Probably a day or two for which part of the wheelchair for go like free up a little bit. But it is what it is, man. But yo, me not lie. A whole heap of snowfall, a whole heap. So snow and wheelchair don't go together at all. Cause if me did have to work, be a call out have to go on. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Can't complain. This is side me that come out from, you know. If me have to come out, I carry seat. Not there. Let me clear up some way up there for me. So I can go inside. So let's see how that goes when they're finished. I'm gonna make way for all those cleaning in general. Cause I don't understand. Indian, there's a cleaning in general, yes alone I'm gonna do it. No, I couldn't come out there, sir. No, I couldn't come out there, sir. Alright, just make one little place right there, man. No, it's not so hard. Make it think not so difficult, my youth. Must cut out one road right there, so. You know what I forget to mention? Like with all of this snow, if me if park on the roadside, I mean, me have somebody come dig out the car. Yeah, me have somebody who probably can come dig it out. But super fortunate that me have a garage can park in, that me have to go through all of them stuff. The only thing is just to get to the garage, which is a good problem to have. Cause if you go dig out of them something here and if you go give thanks. Very fortunate. Very fortunate. Thank God. I don't think that's safe for a drive with the ice on it, so but hey, America, snow time. But I think that is a hazard though, but I have to do it, yeah. In here, what I say a while ago, because he might clean it off. He heard me. He heard. Good job, sir. Good job. Boy, I don't look like him can come out at all. Him stuck. What's that?
Brother, I want tire stuff. Brother, I want to come back and make me force up.
He might come out.
Hey.
Let me see if we can go so. Most likely, probably, right? Hold on, Indian. You can't do it, man. No. I know 4-wheel drive. Yeah, man, I hate this. Yeah, man. Hold on. Probably if I'm going to middle right there, so. This not ready for me yet. Oh, come on, ice right there, so no. Alright. Middle. Yeah. Oh, come on, ice right there, so. This is no thing, yeah. Enough for me. Go back in the house. So, I come go in here, man. Out that's enough for me yet, but through in the house so long, I just decided to, I'm going to come outside, but outside not ready for me at all. With this snow thing, not going to work, especially like when I drive over there, so. The whole look white something there, a snow. All of it. A snow right there, so. If I come out this by myself now, nah. Come go back inside, yeah? Yo, a whole heap of snowfall now, not sure. What's it? The Makera. Look on this car over here, sir. Look on. Who are going to take out that? Yo. The Makera, sir. Lucky in. I guess you know if you park on the right side. This a truck here? lock in.
Oh, I told truck them. Trailer truck them.
Yo! The person know fall up there. All of this right there, sir. PS snow. Snow for days. Look all over here, sir. PS snow. No, sir. Not ready for me, man. I'll keep on my little self and go on easy. But as I can see, outside is not wheelchair friendly at the moment. Look there. Ice. Pretty much, I just get let off. They are here right now. Outside not ready for me, man. Just get outside a little break for right now. And just go and keep on my little self because as you can see, you're not ready at all. So just go and big up on yourself. Make sure you like, subscribe. And yeah, until next time, sooner.